Let's walk through the steps together on how to add a partner to your Meta Business Suite in case you've got a marketing partner such as ourselves, where you need them to manage either your Facebook, your ads, your Instagram, or other assets you have in your Meta Business Suite. So first off, to get started, what we're going to do is actually navigate to business.facebook.com/settings/partners. Again, that's business.facebook.com/settings/partners. Now, if you're like us and you've got another partner in here, that's perfectly fine. If you don't have any, that's perfectly fine as well. But you want to make sure that partners is what is highlighted over here on the left-hand menu. And once you're there, you're going to go ahead and click add in the drop-down menu, and you can say, give a partner access to your assets. So we're going to click on that. Now, when you put in the business ID, that is going to be the ID that either we provide you if you're one of our clients or you received from your marketing partner. And once you've got that typed in there, go ahead and click next. Now, if you have multiple pages, they'll show up here. If you are one of our clients, we just ask that you give us access to everything. This can always be adjusted or tweaked at any point. Your particular marketing partner will let you know what they need access to. But for our clients, we click select all. That's all your pages. And then we scroll down here to the bottom where it says full control, toggle that on. We also want to come back up here, make sure we've got access to revenue and leads. That gives us access to everything. If you have classic pages, this is the same kind of setup as the new page experience. You can go ahead and click everything, revenue, leads, and we're basically going to go down through these settings and turn them all on. We're going to definitely need access to your ad account if we're managing your ads. Click on that, click full control, manage ad accounts, catalogs, apps, same thing, pixels. This is important if you've got pixels. Instagram accounts, you can select those. Again, scroll down, everything, make sure everything is selected. Offline event sets, block lists, custom conversions, domains. You can select these, have the access to link the domain, business creative folders, commerce accounts, and that's pretty much it. So at that point, you click Save Settings and all done.